Okay, 2009 T800. It has 45 horsepower Cummins ISX in it, 46 rears with lockers. This one has 236,568 for the miles. This truck, it got hit in the, well, it was sitting here. Somebody backed in and hit the hood, and so we swapped hoods with a truck that's over there that has a bad engine. Anyway, I've had this truck running lots of times, but while it was sitting here, it leaked the hose on the bottom. I can show you. Right there, got a hole in it at the clamp, and so we just replaced the hose, put antifreeze in it, but I guess we don't have enough, so it's just I don't have any more where I'm at today, and it's just flashing. Engine won't start, so it'll crank and everything, but it won't start. So I can show you in the batteries. A little down for me cranking, but everything's there, and then it gives me the stop engine. So I think I just need to add coolant or something to it, because it was running great, all the fluids are up. So just got to figure that out. That'll be figured out before you get it. It will be sold as a running truck. Like I said, I don't think there's any issues that way with it at all. Everything in the truck worked minus the AC, and I don't know if the AC wasn't working because the valves need to be shut off, maybe on the heater. But 8LL transmission, 46 rears, has lockers, was a good running truck, still is a good running truck. Just like I said, probably need more antifreeze in there, and it'll fire up. I was just out photoing it today. We will get it running, so it'll be a running truck just like the rest of them. Does run well, doesn't overheat or anything like that. From what I actually used this truck when we first looked at all these trucks, this was the one that fired up and ran, and I jumped the other trucks until we put brand new batteries in all of them. So like I said, this is a good running truck. Just swap the hood on it. We'll get the mechanic back out here to get the antifreeze topped off and get it started. But it will be a good running truck when you get here. That meaning it starts up, runs. You know, I'm not implying any kind of warranty, but the truck will run just like the rest of them. That the other three runners that are, or other two runners that are here in this this model. Again, the one we're selling with a bad engine. That's over there. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, I'm rambling on. But this is a good truck. Should be able to jump in it and drive it home.